Hello everybody. How y'all doing? Are you okay in your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. And your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Yeah man, you not pretty? If you're new to my channel, welcome. And thank you all for making it West Indian Delights. Yeah man, dear man danger, large up. Big up me Antigua and family. Prudence and Sister Pat in the house. Yeah? Renard, don't say a word. Dave, they a dog. Tunde, Karen, large up. Yeah man. Now, I want to do for you all today brown stew fish. And family, brown stew fish is just simply fried fish and you make gravy and gravy down. It's just a fish that you fry and then you make some gravy and gravy down. So I'm going to start from scratch for you all today. Okay? Alright, right here I have a fish, clean, wash, and all of that. Nice little boy, bad boy. Yeah man. This is rock snapper according to the fish people. So you go ahead, you dress, this is called dressing up the fish. And you get your sear or your kitchen scissors, whatever you want to call it, and you clip up. Right? Clip up the little whiskers and all of those parts. After that now, this is a big, good reasonable size fish. So you can put 2 cores. But you don't go all the way down, so you kind of slant the cores. Right? Get right in. You don't go all the way down. So you give it 2 slant on each side. I'm showing you my way, family, of doing brown stew fish. Now I'm going to season this fish with just salt. So you get a little salt inside each core. Not a lot, remember, you go low on the salt. And you get a little inside the gullet here. You turn the other side. Make sure your fish is properly dry because you're going to put it into the hot oil to fry. A little here. And that's it. Right? So you go low because you're going to gravy down with seasoning and spices. And they all have in salt. So you massage. You don't have, listen family. You don't have to, after you season, you don't have to put any fish to marinate or anything. You just rub in your little salt, but be careful. And you massage inside the gullet to let your salt go right through. And this fish is ready for frying in hot oil. Okay, I'm going to rinse my hands. Because right over here, I have one that has been done ahead of time. It was seasoned with salt, cored, and fried off. So now I'm going to gravy it down for you. Because I tell you, brown stew fish is just fried fish and you gravy it down to the gravy of your choice, spices of your choice. So right here, I have my flame. We just fried it off in this oil. All I did was burn a few pegs of garlic in the oil to flavor the oil. So right here, I'm going to notch up my flame. I have some carrot sticks. Yeah? And we're going to get them right in there with my thyme. I have a piece of dry thyme. Use dry thyme for the fish family. You get a better flavor. And I'm sauteing my carrot. I don't want my carrot sticks coming saggy. I want them just crunchy. So I'm just going to saute them off for just a short time. I just want the little sweetness from the carrot to kind of get out into the oil. Alright? I have a piece of ginger here and I'm going to grate a little. Feel free family. Just use the initiative. You don't want no measurement for just brown stew a little fish. Because if you're using more, if you're doing more fish, then you'd use more. And that's quite understandable. That's just common sense. More fish, more seasoning, more everything. Okay? Alright. So we're doing a little sauteing. We're not sauteing for long because as soon as they start getting soggy, you know that they are ready. So we just want them, because when we're eating the fish, we want them getting all crunchy. Okay. I'm going to add to this a few pimento seeds. Right? To this now, I'm gonna add some ketchup. You don't need any cornstarch, family, because the ketchup is already made with cornstarch. Alright? I'm gonna add to this a little Worcestershire. And to this, whether cold or warm water, I'm gonna add some water. To the water, I have the last of my apple cider vinegar. You can't cook fish, family, only steamed fish. The only exception from vinegar is the steamed fish. You can't fry fish and brown stew fish, family, without vinegar. Yeah, look at it. So we have the gravy thing going on, and we have it right there. Okay? We're gonna put to this a little cayenne pepper. But family, please be careful because the cayenne pepper is like super hot. So we're gonna put a little. If you're a person that likes a lot of spice, feel free, go ahead. So we're gonna stir. Right? And as you go along, you look at the consistency of your gravy. Okay. At this point, I have some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. 1 packet, but I'm not gonna use all. I'm just gonna use like this amount. This is the only powdered seasoning that I'm using in here. Right? It's Maggi all-purpose, or if you have the bouillon, you can use it. So at this point, you can go ahead and try to taste your gravy. You're gonna taste for flavoring, fish flavoring like. We want a dash of salt. Vinegar a kick up, family. We're gonna lower flame and we're gonna put a little bit more water, not a lot. To this now, we're gonna add about 3 drops or 2 of soy sauce, and I'm using the mushroom flavor. Okay, so you stir and you look at it. All right, now this is the color of your gravy, family. If you want a darker color, go ahead, add more soy sauce or browning, but for me this is fine. And family, pardon the croaking in my voice, my sinuses are giving me a hard time. All right, now we're gonna put in our fish. We're gonna put in this bad boy, and that bad boy is in there. We're going to notch up a flame. So you're going to start scooping up your gravy, and you're going to start putting it all over this bad boy in your little slots there. Make sure it's well coated. Yup. And to this now, you're gonna add your sweet pepper and the garlic that we used to fry it off. We're putting it right in. Yup. We have lots and lots of onion rings, and we're going to put it in. Yup. Look at that, family. Look at that beauty. You don't want your sweet pepper and your onion getting saggy. You want them all crunchy. Right? So you're going to scoop and you're going to start pouring. It's like you're basting your fish. You're going to lower your flame to a little less than medium, not fully low. So you start scooping. Because these are getting incorporated in the gravy. The sweet pepper and your onion. But you know what, family? You don't want them getting crunchy, because when you're serving your fish, you want to have them all over your fish. And at this point, you know what you want to do? You want to try to turn your fish to the other side. So it is always good, yeah, to get your fish fry off crispy and nice, like what I showed you. So, can notch up back the flame a little. Get some of your gravy inside the cavity. Yep. Thick, nice brown stew gravy. Yeah. And we're going to taste one more time. You don't need to cover this in a family. You don't need to cover this. The fish is fried. It is properly cooked. It is already cooked. And you have this. And right about now, we're ready. We are ready. As easy as that, family. So, we're going to come here and we're going to clean up. We're looking for space now. Because we're going to plate. We are ready to plate, family. Just as easy as that. We're ready to plate. Brown stew fish and a whole heap of heartache. You know, it's just as easy. Once the fish is fried, it's as easy as that. If you're somebody that likes your vegetable all saggy, but for me, I like my vegetable crunchy. So look at this now. Oops. You are a bad boy. Right in. Wow, we made a mess. No problem. We can clean that up. So, and you're coming right here. And you're taking up to your desire, to what you like. You're gonna scoop on. Hold on, family. Let me get a spoon. You need a spoon. Look at all of these nice crunchy onion rings. The color of your vegetables stand right out. Your carrot, your red and your green bell peppers, they are there and everything is properly cooked. Right? And your gravy is all over. And family, I wish you were here to smell this fish aroma coming out. Right? So you want your gravy all over. Right over. Feel free to gravy up as much as you want. Right over, family. Right over. Yep. And all we have to do now is just clean this platter. And your brown stew fish is ready. And you know I always say, presentation is key. So we're going to clean the platter because when we're putting it together, we made such a mess. So, from my kitchen to yours, it's brown stew fish. Look at it. Enjoy. Okay? So, family, brown stew fish is not a hassle. It's just as easy as it is. Right? So, enjoy. Feel free. And listen to me, man. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends, with your co-workers, and thank you all. I can see that you have been doing that. So thank you once more. Love you. Love you. Love you all. Enjoy. And listen me, man. A Debbie from Donga Yard. Where this come from, we have lots more to come.